Hi guys, this is the cool down for Unit 1, Lesson 7. Complete the statements. Complete the statements for each number. So basically, they have given you a number, and then you are going to use that number as a factor and as a multiple. So if I'm looking at the first one, I would say 11 is a factor of blank because. Now, quite simply, a factor is a number in a multiplication problem. It is a number that goes into another number evenly. So this says 11 is a factor. So it would have to be one of these. So now I just kind of think to myself, okay, 11 times what? Like, what do I want to multiply? I don't know, maybe 3. 11 times 3 is 33. That means 11 is a factor of 33. So 11 is a factor of 33 because 11 times 3 is 33. Now I'm going to use 11 as a multiple. So blank is a multiple of blank because. Well, a multiple is a number I say when I'm doing a count by. So let's see. Okay, so blank is a multiple of 11 because when I count by 11, the numbers I say out loud would be 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and so on, right? So 55 is a multiple, for example, of 11 because, well, 11 times 5 is 55. I could also say because when I count by 11s, I will say 55 out loud. Okay, now I'm going to look at 24. Blank is a factor of blank because. So 24 is a factor of blank because. Remember, factors, those are your numbers in a multiplication problem. I don't know, 24 times 2 is 48. So 24 is a factor of 48 because 24 times 2 is 48. Now, I'm wondering, could I also have said, because they just gave me the number to fill in the blank, could I have said 6 is a factor of 24? Because 6 times 4 is 24. It doesn't say which blank you have to put the 24. So depending which blank you put it in, more than one answer is correct. So let's take a look at blank is a multiple of blank because. Well, if we're talking about multiples of 24, I would say 24, 48, 72, probably stop right there. And then I could say 72 is a multiple of 24 because 3 times 24 is 72. So I guess it depends where you choose to put your number. You could have more than one answer, well, of course, there's a lot of answers for these. So basically, I'm going to be checking to see if it makes sense and is a factor, and if it is a multiple. Just remember, a multiple is a number you count by. A factor is a number that goes into another number evenly.